Anna Moriah Wilson was a rising star in the world of off-road cycling.
This is Moriah Wilson.
This morning, new details of the last moments of her life captured on audio.
Those screams are followed by ah, ah. 2 gunshots. One to the front of the head, one to the side of the head.
Prosecutors in opening statements portraying her accused killer, Kaitlin Armstrong, as a woman consumed by jealousy.
One of the things you'll hear is she was not happy with this relationship. College.
Not happy, authorities say, after discovering she and Wilson were romantically involved with the same man, professional cyclist Colin Strickland. Prosecutors say Armstrong tracked Wilson's location using a fitness app, and that surveillance footage puts her Jeep near the apartment where Wilson was staying. According to a police affidavit, investigators also received an anonymous tip after the shooting that Armstrong said months earlier she was so angry she wanted to kill Wilson. Armstrong, who has pleaded not guilty, now facing decades behind bars if convicted of first-degree murder. Her defense team arguing there is no proof she committed the crime.
You did not hear about any direct evidence showing Kaitlin Armstrong is responsible for this crime, because there isn't any.
Armstrong's legal team also battling accusations she fled the country after the murder and underwent plastic surgery to disguise her identity. Authorities say she used her sister's passport to travel to Costa Rica. A warrant was issued for her arrest, setting off a 43-day manhunt.
While in Costa Rica, she searched her name from her cell phone. News articles.
Just weeks ago, this cell phone video appearing to show Armstrong trying to escape, running from corrections officers while at a doctor's appointment, later captured a mile away.
So NBC News reached out to attorneys on both sides of this case for comment, but the court has imposed a gag order preventing them from talking. Also, no word from the family members involved in this case, guys.
And of course, the Armstrong attorneys are saying this is just circumstantial evidence. There's no direct evidence. A lot of murder cases are built entirely on circumstantial evidence, though.
With a lot less evidence than in this case, not only do they have the surveillance footage of her car around the crime scene, circling around the house, but they also have DNA evidence that the jury heard about yesterday, the defendant's DNA on the victim's bike, which they said she used to flee the crime scene. They also have ballistics evidence. Her boyfriend, the guy involved here, bought her a gun months before this case, and they have ballistics evidence matching the shell casings to the gun that the boyfriend bought her.
How about that video of her trying to escape from prison? I mean, that video is not good. How's that going to impact the case?
Not good. She's also facing a new felony charge because of the 2 officers who were harmed trying to chase her down. And she also has a federal charge for having fled to Costa Rica trying to evade authorities. So she's got a lot of uphill battles here as this case goes on.
Right. Okay. Thank you, Laura. We'll keep our eye on it.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.